Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. Today I have for you a very interesting video about the Nexus 4 device. I'll be showing you one of the most stable, most battery-friendly Nougat custom ROMs. The ROM I'll be talking about is this Pure Nexus. It is a few months old. I can assure you that this is very stable and very battery friendly. It is based on AOSP and has a lot of tweaks and a lot of customization options. Of course, I will link this XDA thread into the video description below. Now for the ROM itself, Android 7.1.2 with the August security patch level. I've used this device as a daily driver for like a couple of weeks, and other than the usual, let's say, things that come with a device that is not new by any means, I haven't found anything which would make me give up on this device, even if it's very old by today's standards. So just to be done with it, I'll start with the negatives. Of course, the battery life is not the best, but this is not due to the ROM itself, but due to the battery of the device I own here. It's not new, it hasn't been replaced. It has seen its fair amount of use, therefore it is no longer as powerful as it was when it exited the factory. And do remember that this device didn't have a stellar battery life to start with. Of course, being an older device, the apps in general have a longer load time, but as you can see, there are no stutters in day-to-day activities. Let me just take you very quickly through the installation procedure. So you will need to have TWRP installed on your Nexus 4 device. You can very easily do this with Nexus Root Toolkit software. So here you go, I have the latest TWRP recovery for the Nexus 4. You will need a few files. The Beans GApps package. It's a very small package and it allows full Play Store functionality without adding unnecessary bloatware. I've used Magisk, but SuperSU is a very good choice as well for root access, and of course the Pure Nexus zip file. Before going through the installation, go to Advanced Wipe and select Dalvik, System, Data and Cache, and then swipe to wipe. After you're done with this, you can go back, go to install, make sure all the files are copied into the internal memory of the device. Install the Pure Nexus zip file, then install the Beans GApps package and your choice of roots. So either Magisk or SuperSU. I'll link both in the description below, and of course all the other files will be linked as well. After you're done with all of this, go to Advanced Wipe, select Dalvik and Cache, and swipe to wipe. Right now you're good to go, reboot into system. I would totally recommend this ROM to anyone who still has a Nexus 4 device and wants to refresh it. I think this Pure Nexus custom ROM is one of the best, if not the best, Nougat ROM that you can install on your Nexus 4. Please do give it a try if you're still using your Nexus 4 as a daily driver. There are a lot of stock ROMs which are not as stable and as battery friendly as this one. So kudos to the developers. They've done an amazing job with this one. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please do press the like button. If you'd like to see similar videos in the future, make sure to press the subscribe button as well. It will be displayed right here. Feel free to share your thoughts, comments and questions in the comment section below. This was Mike the Tech Savvy. I wish you a great day. Bye.